They say love is the heartbeat of a relationship, but communication is its soul. Without it, even the strongest love slowly fades. Think about this: how many times have little misunderstandings turned into painful silences? A wife spends hours preparing her husband's favorite meal, waiting to see his smile. But when he comes home tired, he barely says a word and goes straight to bed. She feels unappreciated. He thinks, she knows I am tired, why can't she understand? And just like that, love is there, but unspoken words create distance. Or picture a husband who notices his wife looking upset. Instead of asking what's wrong, he stays quiet, afraid of making things worse. She thinks he doesn't care. He thinks she doesn't want to talk. Both are hurting, but neither is saying a word. A few sentences could heal the pain, but silence builds wall instead of bridges. But here's the magic of communication. When we open our hearts, even in the simplest ways, love feels alive again. Imagine a wife telling her husband, I feel lonely when you don't share your day with me. And he replies, I never knew, but from now I will try. In that moment, their hearts reconnect. Communication is not about perfect words, it's about honesty, patience, and being willing to listen even when it's uncomfortable. It's about saying, I may not have all the answers, but I want to understand you. At the end of the day, it's not the big gifts or grand gestures that make love last. It's those small conversations, those whispered I love you, those moments of truly being heard. Because when communication is alive, love never dies. Keep rising, keep shining, because every ending holds a new horizon waiting within your heart.